I see it is that you were a person who was a pulmonary toxicologist who had great experience and expertise in seeing that there were people that were sick at the plant but were not being allowed to actually investigate it. Is that accurate?
Objection.
It's a somewhat fair characterization. I was really being limited. But it was the most frustrating. I have never. Never felt so much on a cliff where it's like, how can you help people? What do you need to do to help people? And involved, you know, the science, the ethics, and everything in between. There's most every day is like, God, we can do so much more. It's frustrating.